Good day. So in this video, I'm going to state or reflect about the lesson in the new LMS. So in the new LMS, we are shown a video, and then in that video, it was stated the very basic principle of mathematics. Now, while watching the video, I have come to realize that no matter how difficult the problem is or mathematical problem is, you cannot you cannot solve the problem unless you know the very basic principle of mathematics. Also, in the elaborate part, the next section, it was defined what is the problem, specifically mathematical problem. So it was stated there that problems differ from one another. So maybe your problem is not a problem to another person. So with that, it depends on the prior knowledge of each and everyone, or it depends on the person. So in this specific scenario, in the classroom environment, this video where the teacher here is discussing about something, giving a mathematical problem. So as you can see here, the teacher is giving the student a specific type of problem. But as we observe, I think the real problem here is not the given problem that the teacher gave, but I think it's go back to the, like I said, the very basic principle of mathematics. But in this given scenario, these students have a low or not that good when it comes to reading comprehension. So as we know, if the students are not good in reading comprehension or comprehending what they or he or she read, then it will affect their problem solving skills. So yeah, not the main problem there is not the problem that the teacher gave, but the prior knowledge of the students or the existing knowledge of the students. So again, it was defined in the elaborate part that the main problem or the problem that you are experiencing right now might not be the problem to another person. So like I said, it depends on the person or the prior knowledge of each students. So in conclusion, the lesson gave me another idea to think that we really need the basic knowledge in order for us to proceed or to solve another problem. Where for example, you want to solve difficult problems like in algebra or even in probability and statistics. However, you still don't know the very foundation of it or the basic principles of mathematics. So in order for you to proceed, you need first to have or acquire the basic principle of mathematics. Also, it is applicable the Polya step, the fourth step of Polya's method, since that is the detailed way to solve a problem, where you need to understand the problem up to how to solve it. And I think that's it.